Hi guys, today we are going to see that how we can generate the largest possible number from a given string. So basically, we are provided a string. So let's say 1289546. This is our string. Okay, now we have to generate the maximum possible number which we can generate within k swaps. K swaps means we are provided a number k. Let's say the value of k is 4. Then we can do only 4 swap to generate the maximum number. Okay, so basically very easy problem now. If you think that recursion will handle all the cases, what we have to do, we have to simply pick this character. We can swap 1 with 2, 8, 9, 5, 4 and 6. Okay, now the strings which will get generated, that means now the cases for 1 is handled. Now I have to choose 2. Now 2 can be swapped with 8, 9, 5, 4 and 6 and so on. Okay, so what I will do basically, whenever I will swap any character with any character, let's say I am swapping ith character with jth character. If I am doing this, then what I will do, I will swap them. I will call the function for the swapped string, the string which I got, and I will reduce the value of k. Okay, and let me explain again. Basically, let's say we are having this string 1, 2, 8, 9, 5, 4, 6. Okay, so basically we are having 2 for loops. Just imagine the scenario. We are having 2 for loops. First for loop will move here. Okay, and when first for loop is here, when the ith index is representing 1, then j will be start from 2 to 6. That is, I can be swapped with 2, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6. If I is present at 2, then j can be present at 8 to 6. That is, 2 can be swapped with 8, 9, 5, 4, 6. So every character is going to be swapped by every character on the further places. Okay, this is our recursion call. This is our recursion fail. Okay, now so let's see about this for one case 1, 2, 8, 9, 5, 4, 6. Okay, so I am talking about here k equals to 4. Now 1, I am at 1. So what are the cases? 1 can be swapped with all of the numbers, all of the characters. This is the string. This is a string. Okay, so 1 is swapped with 2. What I got? 2, 1, 8, 9, 5, 4, 6. Easy. 1 is swapped with 8. What I got? 8, 1. Oh, not 8, 2, 1, 9, 5, 4, 6. 1 is swapped with 9. So 9, 2, 8, 1, 5, 4, 6. 1 is swapped with 5. 5, 2, 8, 9, 1, 4, 6. 1 is swapped with 4. Okay, so I am swapping 1 with every other character. Now 4, 2, 8, 9, 1, 5, 1, 6. When 1 is going to swap with 1, 6. 6, 2, 8, 9, 5, 4, 1. Okay, in these cases, these are the required string. I got this string. Okay, now here the value of k is 3 because I swapped 1 character. Now the total swaps which are remaining is k minus 1, so 3. Okay, now what I will do, basically I am having this string max I. So what this is storing, this max I is storing the largest number, So what I will do, I generated this string. I will compare this string with max I, whether this string is greater than max I or not. I will compare this string, this and this. Okay, now for this string, what I will do, I will pick 2. And then I will swap with 1, 8, 9, 5, 4 and 6. Understood? And then I will then the rest of the strings will be here. Now I will pick 8. 8 will be swapped with 2, 1, 9, 3, 4, 6. So complex tree, but we know that recursion will handle. Okay, so let's see. And one more example for optimization purpose. Okay, if you will not follow this, then also our code will get submitted. But for optimization, let's say 8, 9, 5, 4, 6. This is our string. Okay, 5. So let's say I is here. I is present on 8 and j is present on 4. Okay, so are you required to swap I and j? Currently I am present at 8 and I want to swap myself with 4. Should I do that? If I swap 8 with 4 and 4 with 8, so what will happen? 1, 2, 4, 9, 5, 8, 6. This is the string which I got. So I know now that this string is lesser than this one. I want the maximum string, and what I am doing, I am deriving a lesser string from myself. this string is lesser than. So because of this, what is happening? I am swapping the greater value with lower value. I is greater than j. If this is the condition, in that case, I don't need to swap. I don't need to swap. In what case I have to swap? I have to swap when character at I is lesser than character at j. Okay, if this is the condition, in that case, I have to swap. So this is the only condition which you should remember, because for optimization, if you will not write this, then also our code will get submitted. So what I have to do? I have to traverse over the string str.length I plus plus, another loop which will be useful for swapping. I is at 0, so j will be start from 1 till length. So j equals to 0, j is less than str.length j plus plus. Now I have to swap. So str equals to swap str I and j. So I am going to create a function which will swap the I and j values. Okay. Now I have to call the function find maximum str and reduce the value of k, because I swapped the value for one time. Now I have changed the current string. Now what I have to do? I have to restore the current string. How I can do that? Basically 1 2 3 4, this is my string. If I swap 2 with 3, so 1 3 2 4, this is the string stored in str. I want to restore this string again. So what I will do? Very easy now. Here is I, here is j. Okay, what I will do? I will swap this string again. Again I am going to swap that. So I and j, I is here, j is here. So str swap of str. What will happen? 2 will be swapped with 3. So 1 2 3 and 4. So again I got the same string. Understood? So basically, to retrieve the same string, what I am going to do? I am going to swap the swapped string. I am going to swap the swapped string. Understood? So what I will do? I will write here str equals to swap. Again same syntax. I am going to swap the same string. Okay. Now optimization condition. Optimization if str of I, that means 8 is lesser than 4. If str of I is lesser than str of 8, if this is the condition, in this case I have to swap. Okay. Now our main motive is to write the swap function. So to swap, just get the ith and jth character. So character ith str of I. Okay. Character jth str of j. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to put jth character on ith position. So str of I should be equals to jth and str of j should be equals to ith. Very easy. And then what I have to do? I have to simply return this string. Return str. This is the whole code. Basically, this problem is very easy. That's why I am not going very deeper. Okay. So we moved out of bound. Okay. So let's see where we are doing mistake. Yeah, I equals to 0. str.length. Yeah, that's good. If str of I is lesser than str of j, let's check whether this is correct or not. If the first position should be lesser than the last position, this is correct. If str of I is lesser than str of j, then just swap I and j. Find maximum str. Okay. So we forgot the main condition. What is the main condition? Base case. No, we forgot the base case. If k equals to 0, in this case you have to simply return, and before return, just check at every step. You have to check whether this string is greater than maxi or not. So to convert a string into integer, I have to use stoi function. Okay. So maxi, I will get the integer value stoi of my value. If x is lesser than y, that means I am greater than maxi. So I will write maxi equals to str. Easy. These are the two conditions. Now let's see. Yeah, now our code is accepted. Let's submit it. I hope you guys understood. This is a very easy problem. So basically, what we have to do, we have to find get a character. Just swap that character with every other character in front of it. Okay. After swapping, just check whether the resultant string is greater than maxi. If it is greater, then replace the maxi string. Okay. So this is all about this problem. I hope you guys understood. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.